Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and hope you guys are well. And today we're gonna do a Celine triple unboxing that I got from Rome, Italy. But before anything else, I'd like to wish you all a happy new year and hope you guys will have the best year on 2023. So first up, we're gonna start on this big shopping bag, and this is something that hasn't really crossed my mind. I went to Celine's store not knowing what to buy, and the SA recommended this bag and I tried it on, and this is it, guys. It is so pretty and functional and practical as well. And this is actually a gift from my husband for our anniversary, and this is what it looks like. It is a gorgeous bucket bag, and this is a small Triomphe bucket bag. Very, very pretty. It is made so well, and Celine is actually a French brand, but the SA told me that all their bags are made in Florence, Italy. I went to Florence also together with this trip in Rome, and I love Florence. It is a charming place, and when I heard that this is made from Florence, it is a no-brainer for me to get this bag, and I am so happy to get my first Celine bag in this bucket bag. Bucket bag never goes out of style, guys, and I know that I will enjoy this for the longest time. And this is what it looks like up close. The stitches are really spot on, and it says Celine here and then Paris here under. And this is what it looks like at the side, and this is at the back side, and this is at the other side. I have a lot of brown bags, and I also try the black bucket bag, but for some reason I really gravitate on this color, and I just followed my heart and just got the brown instead of the black. And here it says Celine, and it is adjustable. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes, and inside it looks like this, guys. Let's remove the inside. It feels like suede leather here, and the smell is really that kind of good leather. There's no insert pocket inside, and it also came with this small envelope, and this is the barcode. My husband paid 1,700 euros on this bag. In the US, this is $2,200 US plus tax. You can really save a lot if you buy in Europe. If you put it on, it will look like this. And what sold me in this bucket bag, why I chose this among other bags in Celine that I've tried, is because what fits here in my loop hobo fits in this bucket bag. So I brought this in my Europe trip, and I'm really happy with this bag, guys. As you can see, this has seen many countries already, but it still looks like new. It went under the rain, under the sun, wind, and everything, and I don't baby this bag, but this still looks excellent. So anyway, I will put in here what fits in my loop hobo, and you can see why I got this practical and gorgeous bag. So inside my loop hobo, I have this mini pochette, and then I also have this small pouch that came from my loop hobo. And then supposing this is my phone, and I have this sunglasses. This case, by the way, I got from Louvre Museum in Paris, and I really love this. And my sunglasses, it's inside, and it also came with this beautiful felt cloth to wipe the glasses, and this is the Liberty painting. And I also saw the Liberty painting in Paris, so this will fit in here. And then I also have this recto verso wallet, and I also have this filet insert. This is very, very useful where I put my euros, and as you can see, my euros is still in here, and also coins. So I suggest if you travel, if you have a filet insert, this will really help in keeping your cash and your coins. And I have this sunglasses, and it's from Chanel. And also I have this sunscreen from Supergoop. And I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like inside. There's nothing left in here. And this is what it looks like inside, guys, and there's still space. So this bucket bag is really, really functional and useful, and I'm so happy when I got it. And my husband also approved of this purchase, and I'm really happy that he is happy of the gift that he's giving me, because sometimes there are bags that he doesn't really like on me, but this one, he bought this for me, and I'm glad that he approved of this bag. So this is about the Triomphe bucket bag, and try to look into this, guys, because this is really such a beautiful, functional, and durable bag. And I'm gonna put it in here. The next shopping bag is this one. This is a smaller shopping bag from the other one, and it came in this small box, and I guess you already know what this is. And this is sunglasses, a Triumph sunglasses, and I saw several celebrities using these sunglasses, and I really want to try it on. However, we don't have a Celine store in my state, and I was able to try it there in Rome, and this is what it looks like. I chose the turquoise color as it flatters on me more, and it came with this as well, the cloth and this booklet. So this one has a Triumph here. The Triumph, I visited it in France, so I know that this design came from that Arc de Triomphe in Paris, and it is nice to remember my visit from this line. And this is what it looks like. It is so pretty, guys, and I really, really love it. So this is the Celine Triumph sunglasses, and the case is also nice, and it is not bulky, and it has like a felt material here when you feel it, and it's just so simple, and you put it inside and it looks like this. So let's open the third shopping bag. And the third, oh, by the way, guys, I paid 380 euros on this item. And the third shopping bag is this one, and inside has this small box as well. And any guesses what is this, guys? And it came in this dust bag, and this is the item. It is the belt. So this is the regular size belt, also in Triumph buckle, and I chose the gold buckle, and I chose this gold buckle, and it's very, very pretty, guys. I really, really love it. For some reason, the belt looks like in patent, that it is shiny, but it is not in patent leather. It is the regular leather with the finishing of this shiny one, and I chose the size 85. The 80 actually fits me well, and my SA was trying to tell me that the 80 is better to buy, but I insisted to get the 85, as I'm thinking if I will gain weight, I will not be able to use this, and all of my belts are in size 80. So it's nice to have a longer size in my collection. So if you are following me in my YouTube channel, guys, I have several designer belts that I collect. I have Chanel, I have Hermes, I have Louis Vuitton, but never in Celine. This is actually my first Celine purchases, and it is nice to be able to venture on other designer brand rather than just sticking on the brand that I'm used to. And it is like going out of the box for me for trying this line. And oh, there's also a plastic in here, so let's remove it. and this just flatters any outfit. It also looks like a CC logo for some reason, but this is the Celine Triumph line that I really like in their design. And let's put it back. So yeah, which one is your favorite among the three items? By the way, I paid 480 euros on this belt. I'm really happy with these items, especially my husband's gift on me, which is this bucket bag. I really love this, guys. I'm so excited to use this. Now that I've unboxed it with you, I can use this and enjoy it. And thank you guys for watching. Please leave in the comments down below if you also love this Triumph bucket bag, as I really love it. And thank you for watching. May all of you have a wonderful day, and please hit like and subscribe. So I'll see you all again next time. Bye!